flipping car person. And these cars are so impressive. I'm not even gonna lie. The problem is my boyfriend is a car person. Here they. Some of these cars start. I'm a thing say thunder. Look at the sky. The sky is gray. So hearing thunder right now is not unlikely. But I thought that was. I can't even video properly because the car didn't go faster than my hand. I had to go for my thing, come I can't see. Oh my god. These things are fast. Not even gonna lie to you.
Taking that one in the right lane.
So you know a win is a win. Whether it's 1 mile or 1 inch, a win is a win. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. How are you doing? I am here, you know, just chilling. In this vlog, we're going on vacation again. We're going on vacation again. So we're gonna fulfill a couple errands. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna run some errands. School, and on the list for preparation is 1, redo my nails. I haven't vlogged since January to really give you the details, but I want to keep my nails this color for the year. Crazy. I said originally the month, but I'm really loving the green, so I think I'm aiming for the year. But I want to redo them from scratch, so I want to soak them off, redo my nails, do my hair. I'm just gonna get some braids, some like, what's that now, what do you call it, jail braids, braid go back, and yeah, that's it. And pack and go on a trip and collect some packages. But that's it. So let's do that, shall we? Let's go. Let's try. Them packages, they're big though. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is the size of my head, and if you know me, that's a big box. This is a huge box. For what? For $30? Or this was a $30 max? Make sure so this stick properly. My god. Excitable. I hope this smells good, you know. Right? Remember the first one? Oh my god. Please smell good, Jesus. It smells like something that you own. It does. Ooh. It gets better. I'm so sorry. Jamaica Road is not fabulous. smell berries, but it does. I get that. I get how it can be a unisex scent, but I smell the feminine parts of it. Wow, this is quite a packaging. I'm not gonna lie to you. This would make a great gift. This is the second one. This one is all over TikTok, and boy, TikTok has failed me before. I'm hoping that the whole of TikTok don't smell bad, because there's no way that everybody is recommending this scent. Him say what? This smells nice. Let me tell you what this smells like. This smells like something else I have, but in the something there version. This smells like something else I have. Yeah, like in a body spray. What is this? Okay, TikTok won with this one. TikTok definitely won with this one. Thank you, Tommy. I appreciate it. Absolutely nothing that I planned. I have been on the road same day. I've been on the road from, let's say, 10:30. It is now 7:36, and I've only done one thing. Like you ever have a day where it's just you not plan nothing, and everything when you plan to do, but and everything but you not plan do. Yeah, that's what today was. So only thing I did was pick up a few packages of no package. Yeah. So what I did was pick up a few packages. Those packages aren't even my packages. Those are my sister's packages. My package, my price, it's available for pickup in the week, because weekend is vacation, is the trip, and my package jam, it reached the shipping company from 2 Fridays ago. So it was supposed to ship and clear and reach, but I don't know. And you know, so if it don't reach, me not bother do my hair, and me not bother do my nails, cause what's the point? Me not have nothing to wear, so it don't make no sense me do my hair and me do my nails for wear jeans and t-shirt at the people them resort. I'm not even bothered, if I'm being honest. I'm not even bothered. Very few things bother me these days, because everything seems to be like, you know, when everything is up here, like nothing is chill anymore, everything is up here, everything is heightened. So because of that, nothing bothers me. Hey Gavin, game I play?
Supposed to.
People there? Enough people there?
Not really.
So how game must play? Where am I? At a football game. It don't make no sense. Like my day, everything that's I plan to do today can do. So I'm just at a football game. Look. Football game. So yeah. At this point in time, I forgot to take up my things. 2 games going on, and well, it's a 4-game field. So I'm watching that game, this game. There's a game over there, and then there's a game over there. Yeah. So catch y'all later. My thing is with these football games, them always say it's an hour, right? However, the owners of the place, they're lenient, they're not so strict, so it's never an hour. So me there, I watch the hour, say okay, let's say them start 7:30, fine, they'll be done 8:30. The 15 minutes warning not even gone yet. So if it doesn't go by in the next 10 seconds, they have another like 20 minutes to play, and it's already an hour. It's good for them, you know, for the footballers, and them might enjoy it. It's a nice game, but you did bargain for 1 hour. Only an hour. 60 minutes. I need more to start on time and end on time. No overtime. Right now the score is 2-1. It was first 1-0 and the other team just said, oh, no. Two points in like 1 minute. Am I enjoying the snow? No. But I'm just here to support my friends, and like I said, my day just, you know, it never happened like I wanted to happen. So yeah, we're still here. I'm waiting on that light to flash. Once that light flashed like 2 times, that means it's, I think, 15-minute warning or something like so, or 5-minute warning or something like so. I'll know. And let me say the 60 minutes gone. So let's see.
You have speed already, you know. Most of the money begins after defend yourself.